Welcome to the StoryChief Academy. In this video, we'll explore the social feed, the Slack integration, and how to use them. In the dashboard, open the settings and go to Integrations. Here, scroll to Content Hubs and select Social Feed. To activate your feed, simply click on Enable. Choose whether you like to include social posts, articles, or a mix of both. Don't forget to save the settings. After having the feed enabled and publishing some content, you can click on View Feed to access your content. This link can also be shared with other people to motivate them to share content. Inside the feed, you'll see the publish date of the content and links to the social post on each channel to leave a like, comment, or share the post further. In the case of articles, there is a Share button to create your own social post. This is a great way to activate your colleagues and your close network. Another way to improve engagements of colleagues is Slack, which we'll check out now. Go back to the integrations and scroll to social networks. Here, choose Slack. Click on Add New Destination and follow the authentication process to set up a Slack connection. Back in StoryChief, you can choose which channel to connect. Save the settings to confirm the connection. Now, you can adjust the display name. Save the settings once more. When creating a social post, it's also possible to publish directly to Slack. This can be helpful to provide colleagues with the text and media for their own social posts. Another cool way to implement Slack is getting the channel email address and add it as ambassador list. This stimulates people more to engage with your own social posts instead of creating their own. The last way to integrate StoryChief in Slack is through notifications. On top of the dashboard, open the notifications and click on the settings icon. Here, you'll see a button to connect Slack. When connected, you'll receive notifications in Slack when somebody mentions you in content. This is a great way to declutter your mailbox and be up to date. Go check out the social feed and Slack integration to create more engagement for your social posts. Turn the theory into practice. Curious for more? Check out our other videos.